weighing in a maximum gross weight of over 840,000 pounds. Ladies and gentlemen, the C-5M Super Galaxy, the heavyweight champion of the world. Capability, the C-5M provides direct delivery of outsized and oversized cargo to every theater of operation on the globe. With 36 padded positions, as well as 72 troop seats, it can handle the task of 3 C-17s at once. The Super Galaxy projects this impressive payload across intercontinental distances, boasting an unrefueled range of, ready for this, over 5,500 nautical miles. As you can see on the static display aircraft, the flight landing gear holds 28 wheels of the C-5 to be built to provide roll-in, roll-out capability through both the nose and tail of the aircraft. This as well as most other aspects of this impressive machine make it unique in the United States inventory. C-5 fleet began to age, the Department of Defense recognized the dire need to preserve the awesome capability that is on display today. The Lockheed effort was mounted to re-engineer critical components of the older C-5B, and upon completion, the new aircraft was born as the C-5M Super Galaxy. Focus and commitment to reliability guarantees that Dover's 9th and 709 Airlift Squadron will continue to project the power of the Air Force's Air Mobility Command for decades to come. Today's demonstration is being piloted by Major Brandon Nance and Major Nicholas Clark. Captain Zach Williams is assisting as the safety pilot, and Tech Sergeant Niles Putnam and Staff Sergeant Rudy Arras are manning the panel as flight engineers. Major Nance, originally from Shelbyville, Indiana, received his commission from the Rose-Hulman Institute of Technology, where he studied mechanical engineering. He began his operational career in 2011 right here at Dover Air Force Base, flying the C-5Bs. Major Clark of Indianapolis, Indiana, studied aviation technology and received his commission from Purdue University. He began flying his career here at Dover, the C-5B in 2011. From your right, ladies and gentlemen, the C-5M Super Galaxy. The tail of the C-5 scraped the sky at nearly 65 feet tall. If it were a building, it would be the 7th highest building in Dover. Due to center of gravity limitations, there is more unusable space in just the tail of the C-5 than the C-130 has in total usable use. Back to the C-5 is that the interior and exterior paint of the C-5, altogether the paint on the aircraft weighs over 2,600 pounds. 9th Airlift Squadron supported U.S. efforts to rescue civilians off the island of Grenada and included the first C-5 mission in Panama supporting Operation Just Cause. The 9th Airlift Squadron crews flew more missions in support of Operation Desert Storm and Desert Shield, ensuring the success of the largest airlift operation in history. In response to increasing hostilities, the 9th Airlift Squadron crews one of the first C-5 missions delivering desperately needed M1 tanks and personnel to Mogadishu, Somalia. A 20-hour quadruple air refueling mission in support of Operation Restore Hope. The Republicans flew the first C-5 mission to Port-au-Prince, Haiti, supporting efforts to restore the country's democracy. On November 20th, 1994, the 9th Airlift Squadron crew flew 20 hours non-stop from Kazakhstan to the former Soviet Union to Dover, delivering over 600 kilograms of unprotected weapons-grade uranium, a tremendous success which helped the United Nations reduce the nuclear threat around the world. This mission was repeated in April of 1998 when the 9th Airlift Squadron evacuated more weapons-grade uranium from Georgia to safety in Europe. The Pelicans have continued historic first in modern airlift. They were the first and only C-5 Special Operations low-level, the first night vision goggle-capable unit in the C-5 A and B, and the first C-5M thermal training unit from 2010 to 2017. And they're the first to fly theater direct delivery missions from Dover directly to Afghanistan. They continue to be the premier, outsized, and oversized cargo carrying unit in the United States Air Force. From your left this time, the C-5M. It's interesting to note that the distance of the first flight of the Wright brothers aircraft was less than the length of a C-5 cargo floor. More than 100 miles of wiring are required to function and operate all C-5 aircraft systems. And the C-5 carries enough fuel for the average American car to make 130 round trips between New York and Los Angeles, or 31 trips around the world. Galaxy, again a strategic transport aircraft, and it's the largest aircraft in the United States Air Force inventory. It's amazing to think that the very first C-5 Galaxy took to the skies in June of 1970. To fly over 5,500 statute miles without having to be refueled with 120,000 pounds of cargo. The plane can fly almost 7,000 nautical miles with no cargo on board. Once again, our flight crew. The aircraft being piloted by Major Brandon Nance and Major Nicholas Clark. Captain Zach Williams is assisting as the safety pilot. Tech Sergeant Niles Putnam and Staff Sergeant Lee Russ are in the panel and flight engineer position. And there are 28 tires getting ready to hit the runway. What an amazing aircraft, ladies and gentlemen, the C-5M Super Galaxy.
Was anything.